When you hear the word photo, you probably think just a photo. But did you know that that photo can actually make you money? Yep, $600 to be exact. All that is possible as long as you know how to do so, of course. If you look at our screen, you'll see that for one image, you can get paid about $60. For two photos, you can make $120. And the cycle goes on and on and on. And before you even ask or before you even wonder, nope, you won't need any camera gear or even a camera in general. You won't even need any skills of any sort or any prior experience. All you'll need is a laptop or a phone or a tablet, whatever you have, and of course a stable internet connection, and you could be making this much money already. Today's method is super duper easy and it is not a hassle at all. We're going to be discussing a free tool with you guys, a free website that we know for sure you guys are going to absolutely love. It's worldwide available, so you don't need to worry about that. And it's free, and I think I've already said that, but what the heck. Anyways, we are going to be walking you through this whole thing so you guys won't get lost or anything. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, open up your default browser and then go ahead and type in spark.adobe.com and then hit enter on that. And that should take you to here. This is a free website or tool that contains a ton of different templates that will only require you to drag and click to be able to produce good quality designs and ideas. You can obviously read more about this website if you want to. Anyway, you can make social media posts as well by simply taking a photo or grabbing whatever photo you'd like, then using Adobe to add the animation or graphics or designs. They also have a ton of other different features like editing or creating videos as well, so that's great. So to start, you just want to click on Start for Free right here, and that should take you to over here. So you're obviously going to want to sign up, and you can choose to sign up with any of these options. You have Google, Facebook, Apple, or the long way, your email. So choose whatever, and as soon as you're signed up, this is what your brand new and personal Adobe Spark account should look like inside. Once you have an Adobe Spark account, you are going to have access to all of these templates and designs and literally everything you can find on here for completely free, which is absolutely insane and great. Plus, if you select any template or ready-made design, you can alter or change or edit or modify them or whatever you want to call it to anything you want, and again, all for completely free. No hidden fees, nothing. With all of those wonderful benefits about this website, the greatest benefit is that you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars with your designs that you barely had to lift a finger creating. Isn't that awesome? To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So for example, we're going to choose this template, and as you can see, it's going to take you to another tab, and in a full tab version, so you're going to see the entire template, and you're also going to see everything that you can possibly do to this design, and you're going to see how easy everything actually is. Literally, without any skills or knowledge or experience on graphic designing and whatnot, you're gonna be able to create some really awesome next level designs as if you were a pro, even when you're really not. So to change the text, you can just click on it right here, change whatever text you want it to be. You can change the font size, the font, the color of the text. You can even change the color scheme of the entire design. You can change the graphics or animations or the little drawings. You can change as well. You can add and take out literally anything. You can change the background, replace it, make it different or anything, which makes the super website really nice and convenient as well. Then, if you're basically good to go with your design, if you're contented with how it looks, you can easily just hit on download, and just like that, it'll save straight into your computer and it's ready to be posted anywhere and be used as money-making material. There is one little catch though. Since it is a completely free website, when you do download the photo, there is gonna be a watermark. Now, it's not that big of a deal because there is a loophole. So if you want to take it out, then all you really need to do is take a screenshot of that design that you edited. If you're on a MacBook, you can just take a snapshot. Or if you are on a Windows computer, you can just press the Windows sign and the print screen button, and you're going to have that in your screenshot somewhere in your documents. Literally, you can find it there. And then your own design is there without any watermarks or stamps that we actually had help from somewhere else, but no one's gonna know that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Right now, we're going to get into the places where you can sell your Adobe Spark designs and make really good money for it. Now we want you to go on designcrowd.com, and on this website is where you can make hundreds of dollars by creating different logo designs, business card designs, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs, t-shirt designs, and a whole lot more. If we hover on designers right here, you're going to see a lot of the different designers that this website caters to. We are then going to choose graphic designers because that is what we are, and then that's going to take you to here. Now, as you can see, these are all the graphic designers on this website, literally making those designs that we had just shown you from Adobe Spark and making a lot of money from those designs. If you check out the logo designers, you're gonna see literally all of these people making thousands and thousands of dollars already. The thing is, all of these people are probably creating their designs from scratch because they don't know about Adobe Spark. So for them to be able to earn this amount of money, they had to create numerous designs from scratch, literally from zero. But since you're the lucky one watching our video for today, you're going to be able to create literally hundreds of designs for hundreds of clients, and you can even make 20 or more in a day because you're not even going to be exerting that much effort for it at all. It's like you're taking the shortcut and getting the same or maybe even more than how much these logo designers are already earning. Now you're gonna want to join Design Crowd as a designer. So you're gonna scroll down and then find this and then select on Join Now. And then you're just gonna proceed as follows, and as soon as you have an account, you can finally post your listings, and just like that, people are going to avail of your services, and you just have to be ready for that money to come in like it's nothing. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.